Never force anything, just let it be. If it's meant to be, it will be. Sometimes people pretend you are a bad person so they don't feel guilty about the things they did to you. You are a courageous person. If you go through something heavy and come out better and strong for it. A beautiful face will age and a perfect body will change, but a beautiful soul will always be a beautiful soul. Is not it great knowing that any time could be the last time you talk to someone? Keep that in mind. Loyalty is rare. If you find it, keep it. Not everyone closed door is locked. Push. Never underestimate the power of good morning, text, apologize, and random compliments. If you have the power to make someone happy, do it. The world needs more of that. I love you, real people who say what they mean and mean what they say. No fluff, no lies, and no pretense. Today I am grateful for all the people that are loving and kind to me. I am a strong person, but once in a while I need someone to you. May and tell me everything is going to be okay. Don't let yourself be controlled by three things: people, money, or past experiences. To make a difference in someone's life, you don't have to be a brilliant, rich, beautiful, or perfect. You just have to care.